咧英格兰西部有一间细间饭店，当开幕一档，就互人选做英格兰上赞的饭店。因伫咧门口有放一卡箱啊，互人落钱，伫咧卖因的鸡卵甲芳。这亲切的态度，也有特别的经营方式，是互因愈来愈受欢迎。
当英格兰上赞的饭店宣布的时，苏丹尼家族拢欢喜甲画出来。苏丹尼家族饭店原本只是单，规家伙仔无人有专业的烘焙经验。不过经过一档的时间，因毋但有家己的店面啊，生意是强强滚，无眠无日的行，以满足人客的需求。
Usually about 4 in the morning, I'll start doing pork pies, that sort of thing. Then at 4:30, my mum and my sister come in. They start doing their cakes, brownies. Some of our best sellers would be sausage rolls, that's a big seller. Pork pies now, we've only just introduced them.
苏丹尼家族讲，原本因只是因为家己有饲鸡，食袂了的鸡卵，就放伫卵箱内底，互厝边会用伫家己落钱买。伫2年前，因想讲厝邻做来家己食的芳，嘛会当做伙卖。豆豆啊，来交关的厝边愈来愈济，就安尼撑起来。
Well deserved. I mean, the food's excellent here. I'm getting a pork back today, and hopefully an almond croissant. So yeah, well done.
It's got all the old favourites, and they look really beautiful, very tempting, don't they?
虽然已经摕到上悬的影响，苏丹尼家族也是希望会当维持甲英国同款简单的生活。所摆因甲生食发袂伤保留落来，互拜六礼拜人客嘛通好买。伫短短的时间内称甲遮尔红，苏丹尼家族的大家长认为，伊毋是简单芳好食尔尔。
The girls at the bakery, they have very, very good customer service. They keep the customers very happy because they're just so jolly, which is lovely.
公司心乐培变热。